Doing an adjustment with a same tire replacement. From point of sale, choose line type 4. If this is a Goodyear or Michelin or main manufacturer claim number, type in the claim number on your form. Find the item number by hitting your binoculars, or if you know the item number, you can type it in. You can put in the remaining tread depth or percent worn. We will do tread depth remaining. It will calculate the adjustment credit based on the price of the tire that was sold. You can change the quantity if you're doing more than a quantity of 1, 2, 3, or 4, whichever quantity you want. If you need to adjust the price that it's calculating the credit on, you can change the price here. This is the adjustment credit for one tire. This is the prorated amount for if you were selling the same tire, as you can see it in the extension below. You notice it automatically defaults with the item number. To replace it with the same item number, hit your green check mark, and it will now add that line item onto your order.